we've talked about 2020 so far with Australia's bushfires, California, Colorado, all these record temperatures, and then just now with the hurricane season in the Atlantic Ocean having like the most named storms. It was 29 like last week, and now it's like 30.
It's 30 now. It's up to
30.
30. Iota is the latest one. 30, that's a record.
So how do you feel with that, just as an overview? Like what's going, like what do you think about another record of a season?
Well, it's showing how much, it's an argument I've been making. It's like, yeah, everyone's looking at the air temperature, but you got to look at the sea surface temperature. And the sea surface temperature has been really warming up, and that's a load of energy that's there. And if you got really warm temperatures, well, you're gonna really power these storms. And the other thing we're seeing with these storms is they form and then they quickly blow up to us Cat 4 or 5. So we're seeing that. And then there's I think it's a study that you shared, that Nat Geo paper, where the hurricanes, once they hit land, they still maintain their energy. So they don't dissipate so quickly because of all the moisture. And so when they go over land, they're still pummeling away for a while.
Yeah, they keep moving up further up, like you said, up the land at like a Cat 2 where they should have already dissipated to like a tropical storm system. And that's
Yeah,
something that's coming out of this age. I mean, they never say it's not because of climate change, that kind of issue, but because of the factors, there's more frequent. It's the article goes over it.
well, hurricanes are going to happen. Okay,
Right.
they happen. What climate change is doing is making more of them and making them more intense and more powerful on average. That's what the effects of climate change are, because hurricanes are really energy distribution mechanisms. You have the heat energy here, you put it over there. That's what hurricanes are. I mean, look what happened here in Alaska. I mean, we had a record snowfall for a 24-hour period in interior Alaska. I mean, I don't know how the airport had such a low amount. It's 14.7 inches. Dude, out here it was like 2 feet. I mean, it was just like
maybe at their station. I don't know. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it was a shitload of snow. And when you look at the system, there was a cyclone hurricane in the Bering Sea. It was out there raging away. And the Bering Sea and the Chukchi are still open water. So it just sucked up all the moisture and went and just dropped it on Alaska.
So logically, you could say less sea ice, more chances of powerful storms hitting land?
Well, if you have open water there, first of all, the storm will form.
Oh my God.
And then it's going to suck up the moisture because, well,
okay,
it's kind of hard to suck up ice.
No, I know. But that's such an interesting point because we haven't heard anything about it, right? The news doesn't brush over this, and COVID's taken over, but there's so much going on.
Yeah, it was. It's actually snowing today again. It's a little flurry shit kind of going on, but it's just, yeah. I mean, it's just like the snow just kept coming and coming. It's like, Jesus Christ! And now I've got all this snow on the roof on the garage. I got to get just clearing that shit off.
But there's more moisture in the air, right?
Yes, exactly.
Oh
Warmer
my
air holds more
God.
moisture, and
It's so
that's what
interesting.
happened.
Yeah.
I mean, and it was classified as a cyclone. I mean, they had strong winds battering the crap out of the coast. There was no sea ice to protect the coast, so you had wave action, wind action, and it was just like eating up gobs of the real estate and erosion, dropping that into the ocean. It was just incredible up here.
Nightmarish. Yeah, it just seems things keep seeming to unravel themselves. It's just strange.